Good day, everyone. I am a representative Group 2. My name is River Yoda Asin, and together with my group mates, Joros Da Asin, Farhan Dalgan, Renaida Edsla, Ayman Datumanong, Lega Cosmilia, Jaya Compleza, Datum Hatirdama, and Ira Colano. We're here to discuss to you the right triangle and the six trigonometric ratios. So what exactly is a right triangle? A right triangle is a triangle that has a 90-degree angle. It also has an hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent. You know if it's a right triangle or an irregular triangle based on its angles. A right triangle has an angle of 90 degrees and an acute angle of 90 degrees, equaling to 180 degrees. So now that we know what right triangles are, let us now discover and dive deeper on how can we actually solve them. And remember to take notes and have fun.
Good day, I'm George Dasin, and now the next talk is about the SOHCAHTOA. Firstly, the names opposite, adjacent, and the hypotenuse is come from the right triangle. So itong tatlo daw na to is ay ating tinatawag na right triangle. Now, ano nga bang SOHCAHTOA? SOHCAHTOA is mnemonic device helpful for remembering what ratio goes which function. So itong SOHCAHTOA daw is a device or a formula na nag-help sa atin to solve an unfolding or unidentified ratio para malaman natin anong sukat nito. Now, SOHCAHTOA stands for SO is sine is opposite over hypotenuse. And si CA naman is cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. And si TOA is the tangent is opposite over the adjacent. Now, the three main functions in trigonometry, first is the sine, second one is cosine, and the third one is the tangent. And sa trigonometry, ayan, itong triangle na to, si hypotenuse na nasa right side is the longest side of a right triangle. Tandaan, si hypotenuse daw is the longest side. Siyang pinaka mahaba. And si adjacent naman is the side opposite the angle. Pwede siyang nasa baba or nasa kabilang bahagi. And si opposite naman is the side next to the angle. Tandaan, ang hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent is pwedeng magkabali-baligtad, depende sa perspective. Now, ang magiging formula ng TOA, mauna tayo sa TOA, ang magiging formula nito is tan is equal to opposite over adjacent. Now, si SO is sin is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. And si Ka is cos is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Itong tan is short term ng tangent. Itong sin naman is short term ng sine. And yung cos is short term ng cosine. Now, titingnan natin itong SOHCAHTOA na sa iba-ibang perspective. Tandaan na si sine or si SO is opposite over hypotenuse. Ayan. Itong nasa right side is opposite. And yung slant naman sa left side is hypotenuse. Vice versa naman siya. Itong si hypotenuse naman is nasa right side na siya. And yung nasa baba naman is the opposite. Tandaan, kahit bali-baligtarin mo yan siya or kahit iba-ibang perspective mo, tandaan na si hypotenuse is yung pinakamahabang side. Ganun po. And mag-iba-ibang perspective. Tapos, ito naman sa cosine naman, adjacent over hypotenuse. Si hypotenuse is nakalagay sa left side, paslant, and si adjacent naman is nasa baba. And vice versa niya naman, or ibang perspective, si hypotenuse naman is nasa right side na siya, yung paslant niya. And si adjacent naman is nasa left side. And si tangent naman is opposite over adjacent, yung sa TOA, is ang opposite na nasa right side and yung adjacent is nasa baba. And ganun din yung isa, vice versa lang din po. And now, susubukan natin i-solve yung what are the sine, cosine, and the tangent of 30 degree. So, ayan, ito yung trigonometry ng SOHCAHTOA. And this side, itong side na to, ayan, yan yung sheet ko. Ito yung sa SO. Sin or sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Ayan siya. Pag ganyan. And itong si ka naman, ito siya. Sorry. Ayan. The cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Ayan, yung hypotenuse, ito yung adjacent. And itong natitira is ito na si TOA. The tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. Ayan. Ayan po. Now, susubukan natin i-solve yung tanong kanina. What are the sine, cosine, tangent of 30 degree? So, draw tayo ng trigonometry. Ayan. So, pag 30 degree, ayan. 30 degree. Tapos, 1 itong dito. Tapos, number 2. Note, depende po sa perspective mo. Pag A perspective naman is, ang opposite nito is B. Kapag B perspective, ang opposite nito is A. And kapag ang A ang perspective mo, ito yung adjacent. And kapag B naman ang perspective mo, ito din yung adjacent. And this side is, ayan, 3. So, uunahin natin yung si sine. Sine is ito, sinusolve ko na siya. So, 30 degree, ayan, 30 degree is equal to, itong dito na side is the opposite side. Ayan, opposite side siya. Tapos itong mahaba yung hypotenuse kasi ito yung the longest side, hypotenuse. Itong nasa baba naman is adjacent. Basta note lang na depende sa perspective mo kung ano yung magmamatter dyan. Ito, so sa sine is 30 degree is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So, ang opposite natin is 1 times, ang hypotenuse niya is 2. So, 1 times 2 is equal to 0.5. Ayan. 0.5. So, solve na natin yung sa sine. So, doon na tayo sa cos. Sa cos naman is ganito. Cos, parangan natin para mag-gets. Dito na tayo sa cos. Bali sa cos naman is ganun lang din, 30 degree is equal to, bali 30 degrees equal to itong 3, ang square root ng 3 is so ang square root ng 3 is is 1.732. 1.732. Sa cos na tayo ha, ang cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. Ito si adjacent. Yan, gikuha natin. Para makuha itong dito is yung square root ng 3. 1.732. 1.732 divided by 2 is equal to, ano equal sa calculator, is 0.866. So, ayan, nakuha na natin yung, ang sa sine, ang 30 degree ng sine is 0.5. Sa ano naman, sa sa cos naman is 0.866. Tapos susubukan natin si TOA. Si TOA naman is gagamitan natin ang formula na tan. Bali itong tan is ganun lang din. 30 degree is equal to the opposite and the adjacent. Bali ang opposite kanina is number 1. Number 1 yung nakalagay dito. Ayan yung opposite, number 1. Ayan, number 1. Tapos yung yung adjacent niya naman is 1.732. Tandaan yung 1.732 is nakuha doon sa square root ng 3. Ayan. So, 1 divided by 1.732 is equal to 0.5777. So, ayan na. Yan na yung 30 degree ng TOA, 0.5777. And that's all. Thank you.